Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix a Windows Defender or Windows Security, or we call it Microsoft Security grayed out or does not functioning as it's expected. If your Windows Security is grayed out, then on this video we are going to see 6 solutions to solve this problem from basic to advanced for all Windows operating system, for Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating systems. So let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 will be the basic solution, which is click on your search icon on your computer and type update and click on Windows Update setting. So Windows Update would be one of the reasons of your Windows Defender or Windows Security grayed out. So check if there is any updates on your computer. So if there will be updates, then install the updates and restart your computer, because outdated Windows operating system can cause a grayed out Windows security. So wait until the update will be completed. And as you can see here in my computer, Security Intelligence Update for Microsoft Defender Antivirus is the new thing. So it's installing after it downloaded. Now it's installing. And after the installation completed, then restart your computer and it's completed. Now I'm going to restart my computer. So after the restart, check whether your Windows security problem is solved or not. And if the problem is still occurring, again, click on the search icon and type here control panel. Get the control panel opened. So I'm going to open it. And we are going to uninstall a third-party softwares, because those third-party softwares also combats your Windows security to function accordingly. So if you find your control panel like this, well done. If you do not find it, just click view by and select category. Then click on uninstall a program. So after you find uninstall a program, then check whether you have a third-party software on your computer, which is third-party antiviruses like Avast, McAfee, or what we call it Malwarebytes and other. If you have another antivirus or a third-party antivirus, just click on that specific antivirus. Let's take this one as an antivirus. Click on it, then select uninstall, and it will remove. Okay, let me select here uninstall, and it will remove that specific third-party antivirus, and it will help you to solve your Windows Defender grayed out problem. And if the problem is still occurring, then the third solution will be, again, go here and click on your search and type here services. So after you type services, then you will find services, then right click on it and select run as administrator and check the security center under the service section. So to find the security section, we are going to scroll to the bottom, which is finding S here, PQRS, then security center. As you can see here, the security center, in my case here, then right click on it and restart. In my case, it's grayed out, but in your case, if it is not grayed out, then select restart and it will restart your security center and it will help you to solve the problem. And again, go to the bottom and find Windows security. And again here, I found the Windows security service. Again, click on it, then select, right click on it, then select restart. In my case, it's again grayed out. So select restart and check your Windows security grayed out problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, here I have a notepad, some commands, which is we are going to make troubleshooting. In order to make a troubleshooting, we are going to use this command In order to use this command, let's open the CMD on the search, CMD, type CMD. Then here you will find the command prompt, then right click on it and select run as administrator. So after the CMD opened, then go here and copy this command, this msdt.exe-id, then space device diagnostic. So select this. I'm going to put this notepad under the description box so you can find there. So select copy and paste and press enter. So here the troubleshoot, which is hardware and device troubleshoot option appeared, and select next. So it's detecting a problem related with your Windows Defender, as it is one of the devices on your computer. So wait patiently until it will finish the detecting process. So here, restart your PC to finish installing drivers and updates. So apply this fix. So it will, when you apply this fix, it will restart your computer. So select apply these fixes and restart your computer. So after you select apply these fixes, as I have said, restart your PC. We have made some changes. So in order to get all those changes, you should have to restart, then select here next. So after the restart, check whether the Windows security grayed out problem is solved or not. So if still the problem is occurring, again we are going to open the notepad and we are going to see solution number 5, which is configure settings in local group policy editor. So to configure those settings, we are going to click here the search icon and type here gpedit, which will show you edit group policy. So open the edit group policy. So when the edit group policy opened, here I have some paths, which is, I think it's visible. Open computer configuration, the first one, which is here under the computer configuration. Then go to administrative template, the second one. Then here administrative template, click on the arrow. After the administrative template open, then go to Windows components here. So here we find the Windows component. So see more visible here, the Windows component. Just click on the drop down. Then after, find for Microsoft Defender antivirus. So let's scroll down to the bottom to find Microsoft here, Microsoft Defender antivirus option. So when you find this Microsoft Defender antivirus, just click on it, and here on the right side it will open different items or descriptions. Then after you find that, then click on turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Here it is turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus option. So double click on it, and after you double click on it, then make sure turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus is under not configured option. Not configured option is here, there is a description. If you enable this policy setting, then Microsoft Defender antivirus does not run. So do not enable this one, just select not configured. So as it's showing not configured here, then select not configured, select here apply. In my case it's already not configured, that's why it's grayed out. Select apply, then select OK and close this one. So from here click apply, then select OK and restart your device to save the change. So again, to save the change, you should have to restart the computer and restart your computer. So after the restart, check if your problem is solved or not. Then if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution will be repairing the corrupted or missing system files. So to repair this corrupted system files, we are going to use this commands. In order to use the commands, again click on the search icon and type here CMD, then right click on the CMD, then select, which is the command prompt, then run as administrator. then copy the first command, which is scanning the health. So select this one, then copy and paste it here, then press enter. Then wait until the scan health process will be completed. It may take some time, just wait patiently until the process completed. Okay, so after you completed here, the operation completed successfully, which is scanning the health of your system files. So after it's completed, now open again your the notepad and copy the second line, which is restore health. So copy this one. In my case, there is no error. In your case, it may be there will be some errors, but after it's completed in 100%, then copy the second command and press enter. Paste it and press enter. So again, it will restore the health bar, which is fixing the missing system files. So all the corrupted files will be fixed. And this process, based on computer to computer, it may differ, it may take some time. So wait patiently until the process would be completed. Okay, here restore health is completed. The restore health is completed 100%. So after it's completed, here the final thing would be restarting your device for this section. So restart your computer. So after the restart, now we are going to make an SFC scan now, which is the last step for this one, which is making SFC scan now. So to make this SFC scan now, again click on the search icon and type here CMD, then right click on it, then select run as administrator. So after the run as administrator, open the command prompt, then we are going to copy the final command, which is copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So like the other commands, it will start scanning your computer. It may take some time. Wait patiently until the process will be completed. So here the scan now is completed, the SFC scan now, and Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations in my case. So after the SFC scan is completed, then close your CMD and finally restart your device. So after the restart, check your Windows Security or Windows Defender grayed out problem is solved or not. So these are the solution on how to solve the Windows Security grayed out problem. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.